Creating, combining, and encrypting PDFs on the Macintosh. macOS 10.12 Sierra Edition. So what is a PDF? A PDF file, or a portable document format file, is a file format created by Adobe in the early 1990s that allows one to create an image of a printed document that can be shared between different makes and models of computers and operating systems while preserving the look of the original document. PDFs are one of the most popular file formats used today because they can be shared between Macs and PCs, iPhones and iPads and Android devices, as well as devices running any of the Linux operating systems. So how do I create a PDF on the Mac? It's built into the Mac operating system. Essentially, if you can print something from any application, for example Microsoft Word or Microsoft Excel, Apple's Pages, Apple's Numbers, Safari's print dialog, etc., you can create a PDF. As a Mac consultant, most of my clients are recent converts to the Mac from Windows. One of the first questions I'm often asked is, how do I create a PDF on the Mac? Most are used to using a program like Adobe Acrobat or Qt PDF to create PDFs in the Windows environment. Most are also surprised to learn that it's built right into the Mac operating system. Essentially, if you can print it, you can make a PDF of it. And this is true no matter what program is used. For example, I'm going to bring up a Microsoft Word document. It's just a sample text document, as you can see, and I'm going to create a PDF of this. There are two ways to do this. The easiest way is to go to File and then choose Print. On the other hand, if you're a keyboard commando like me, you might be inclined to use Command P. Command is the key immediately to the left and right of the spacebar. Command P is the same command for all applications on the Mac to bring up the print dialog box. So I'm going to choose File, Print, or Command P to bring up the print dialog box. Instead of choosing an inkjet or laserjet to print to, I'm going to create a PDF. In the lower left-hand corner of this window, you should see a PDF option. I'm going to choose the option that says Save as PDF. It's going to ask me if I'd like to change the name, so I will call this Word PDF, and I'm going to save it right on the desktop. I click on Save, and just that quickly I've created a PDF of that Word document. I will double-click on this file that I've just created. This will bring up Apple's preview, and we can see the PDF I've just created. And there it is. So what if you have a different program, a program such as Microsoft Excel that you want to create a PDF from? It's just as easy. I will minimize this, and I will bring up the Excel spreadsheet, and there it is. As you can see, it's an amortization table. It could be anything really, but I'm going to choose File, Print, again Command P for the keyboard commandos out there, and in the lower left hand corner I'm going to choose PDF, Save as PDF, give it a different name, and save it right to the desktop and click on Save. That's a long one. Just that quickly I've created a PDF of that Excel spreadsheet. So how do I combine PDFs? You can use Apple's Preview application to combine separate PDF files into one PDF file. Once the files have been combined, simply save your new combined PDF by choosing Save from the File menu in Apple's Preview. Another PDF question I'm asked is, how do I combine multiple PDF files into one PDF file? The answer is fairly simple and involves using Apple's Preview. The first thing we will do is select the Word PDF that we just created, and this will actually open in Apple's Preview program again. Now, you will see some icons in the upper left-hand corner of the Preview window. One of them looks like two columns and is called the View menu. If you click on that and choose Thumbnails, this will show you thumbnails of all the individual pages of that Word PDF document. As you can see, there's only one. So I'm going to drag the Excel PDF that we just created to the bottom of Word PDF. And you will see a green circle with a white plus sign. And I simply let go, and you will see the Word PDF and then all the pages for the amortization table in that Excel spreadsheet. You choose File and Save, and this will combine those two documents, or those two PDFs, into one PDF file. So if I go back to the Word PDF and open it, you will see the Word document and then the pages for the Excel spreadsheet all in one document. That's all there is to it. So how do I encrypt a PDF on the Mac? Encryption allows you to email PDFs to people, for example, your accountant or lawyer, that are encrypted, in other words, password protected, to prevent unauthorized viewing. Call your intended recipient and give him or her the password so that he/she can open and view the PDFs. Do not put the password in the email containing the PDF, as that would defeat the purpose of encrypting PDFs in the first place. The last aspect of PDFs that we will be discussing today is how to go about encrypting them. Oftentimes, you may have some sensitive, personal, or confidential information that you need to share with someone. Perhaps it's your accountant or your attorney that you don't want any unauthorized people to be able to view. The easiest way to accomplish this is to encrypt a PDF. First, start out by double-clicking on a PDF that you wish to encrypt. In this example, I have a sample 1040 tax return that I will double-click. This should open up in Apple's preview, and you're going to choose File, Export as PDF, and yes, even though it is a PDF currently, we're going to export it out as an encrypted PDF in this step. So File, Export as PDF. It's asking us for a name to supply a new name, so I'm going to type in a new name, and we'll choose where we want to save it. In this case, I'll save it to the desktop. Please note there is a button that says Show Details. You want to click that, and then you will see an option to encrypt this PDF. Put a little check mark by the word encrypt, supply a password, verify that password, and click Save. You will notice another PDF will be placed on your desktop, but this one has a white background with a black lock in the center of it. So let's see if we can access that PDF that we've just created. When I double click on it, you will see it opens up in preview, and it says this document is password protected. Please enter the password below. I'm going to type in some gibberish and hit return. It says invalid password. Again, gibberish, return, invalid password. Now I will actually supply the correct password and hit return. At this point, you will see the PDF opens up and I can view the entire document. Again, this is a sample 1040 individual tax return. By encrypting PDFs, you can rest assured that your intended recipient will be the only person that should be able to access this file and view that information. You may want to consider, if you're emailing this document to your attorney or accountant, that you may call him or her and share with them the password or text it to them, but don't put it in the same email as the actual encrypted PDF. That defeats the entire purpose. And that's all there is to it. I hope this was helpful.